In this video, I will show you how to use YouTube Analytics to grow your channel. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First you need to go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile in the top right corner and scrolling down to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, in the left column, scroll down until you find Analytics. You will then see your channel analytics. So first we have an overview. I can see my views, watch time, subscribers. I can see my top content in this period. If I go to content, I can see my videos, shorts, and all. I can see how many views I got, the impressions I've made, impression click-through rate, and average view duration. If you scroll down, you can click on your different videos and you can see your intro. You can see how your intro did. If it is not doing well, you may need to change up your intro and do something different. You can also click on spikes and see where people watched the most in your video and what is working well. You can then click on dips. Dips mean viewers are abandoning or skipping certain parts of your video. So this helps you see what is not working. So you can go back to the drawing board and switch things up. If you click on audience, you will be able to see your monthly audience, the subscribers you have gained, your audience by watch behavior, and popular with different audiences. And then if you click trends, you will see what is trending and you can maybe create your next video or vlogs around what people are looking for. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.